Copilot function in Excel brings AI directly into formulas. Rather than writing complex logic, simply explain your needs in natural language and Copilot handle the all heavy lifting. We can see that in Excel we have Copilot function. This function is only available to you if you got a paid Microsoft 365 Copilot license. So in Copilot function we have two parameters, two arguments. One is a prompt and another is context. Prompt is mandatory and context is optional. And we'll see everything in action very soon. So what basically Copilot function can do for us? Let's see things in action. Let me try Copilot function. My prompt in double quotation. Please provide 20 diversified feedbacks on generative AI from multiple countries. So I'm generating some sample data here. Okay. Let me try one more function. Copilot, please give me sentiments data. This is my prompt. So what is the context in which I want to get the sentiment? It will be from A1 to A20. You can see that all sentiments are positive except one is neutral. So I want to capture emojis instead of the just text. So let me try this thing. Double quotation. Can you give me emojis based on sentiment? If neutral or unhappy, show me red emoji. Try this thing. Okay. So we forget to give the context, which is B1 to B20. Okay. You can see that for neutral it's red, rest is positive. But what if instead of positive or neutral or emojis, I want sentiment in my own terminologies? For example, okay, let me try the function again. Please give me sentiment. The first part of prompt, based on the comment I want to capture from A1 to A20. Part 2 of my prompt is as per category, and various category is in column J, from J to J4. So in this function we have two part of prompt and two part of context. Let me execute this one. Now we can see that as per the comment we have sentiment as per our category. So you notice that how we can use Copilot function for generating and analyzing our data and text. Basically, Copilot function is best suitable for the scenarios where complete accuracy is not very critical. You may avoid Copilot function for some of the scenarios like where accurate numerical calculations are required, like or maybe legal, regulatory or compliance requirements, or real-time data jobs. Because Copilot function is a non-deterministic function which yield different results for each time it is recalculated. Overall, Copilot is a great AI function in Excel. If you want to know more about Copilot features in Excel, refer these videos. Thank you.